Well, all of your excuses are gone as a real estate agent. I know for the last several years, as you've been licensed, you've had the exact same excuse all the time. I want to do that, but I'm just too busy. You're not too busy now. You're stuck in the house. It's almost illegal for us to leave our houses now. So I'm getting a lot of questions from the agents that I coach. What should I be doing now that we're stuck in this quarantine and we're supposed to be protecting ourselves and all of that stuff? Are there really buyers and sellers wanting to do business out there? I just did a recent coaching call. Actually, yesterday afternoon, we did a recent coaching call where we were hearing from agents that are getting $1 million, $2 million, $3 million listings. Tons of agents going out showing buyers houses. They're still selling real estate. But the fact is, I think it's inevitable. We're going to have to spend a lot more time at home. And the big question for you to be asking yourself is, what should you be doing? So the fact is, all of your excuses are gone now. The number one excuse we always used is we're too busy. We got too much going on. Don't have time to do that right now. So what you need to be focused on is growing your real estate business one specific way, by building systems that will generate predictable income for you. You're not going to be too busy. You're not going to be distracted. You can physically lock yourself in a room now with everything turned off, and you can start to create a better model for yourself. This is a good time for you to work on your personal development. It's a good time for you to consume some of that training that you know you should have been not only consuming, but implementing over the last several years. I've got a whole lot of coaching members that I work with that they're making good money and they're closing lots of deals, but that's their problem is I'm so busy closing business, I don't have time to add this extra thing or do this extra thing. Right now is where you need to get a blank piece of paper and write down what your real estate business looks like. I can't tell you how many agents have been doing this for over a decade or 2 decades, even 3 decades, and they don't have much to show for all of that hard work they've put in place. And the reason for that is because they live closing to closing to closing. They don't have a predictable system in place to get a large number of those on a consistent basis so that they can start to pay down all their debts to zero and get themselves to a position that obviously they have a net worth. They're building a retirement for themselves. So the big goal for you over the next few days here, do not get lazy. Do not turn on Netflix. The only thing that's going to happen, like you're probably hoarding food and toilet paper, so your only goal is to make poop at this point, to turn food into toilet paper usage, right? So your goal is not to sit around, watch movies, and eat food all day. Your goal is, you know what? Maybe the universe is trying to get me to a position that I can corner myself in my house and get real with myself about what I need to do in my real estate business. There's tons of resources available. If you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's all free. We have hundreds of videos available for you. There's tons of content there. There's tons of content here on this page. If you haven't subscribed to this page, you definitely want to follow us and turn on your notifications. But this is a time for you to get serious about what are the systems that I'm using, the offers that I'm putting out to the general public that I feel predictably they'll want what I'm offering. Let me tell you what they don't want. They don't want to list their house with an agent, because they can now very easily sell their house by just doing a point and click. Thanks a lot, Zillow. Thanks a lot, Open Door. Thanks a lot, Purple Bricks, Red, whatever all these things are that are out there. They can actually sell their house instead of listing it now. They certainly don't want you to represent their best interest as a buyer. You better have some better offers. If you look through a lot of the free training that I provide for you here, you're going to see some awesome offers that you can put out to the general public. Ad examples, marketing examples, script examples you can use that will get you lots of help on getting better results for yourself. So my encouragement for you, I want you to do well, and I want this to really be a turning point for you. As much as it's not socially acceptable to say, you guys know I'm a no BS kind of guy, there's going to be a whole hell of a lot of people that will lose over what's going on in this world right now, and there's going to be a whole hell of a lot of people that will win. There's nobody that will be indifferent. You're either going to win tremendously or you're going to lose tremendously, and that's up to you. So when it comes to me, I'm using my rear-facing camera, but when it comes to me, trust me, I am relentless every single day in growing my real estate business. And I want you to be the same. It's time for you to decide you're going to be a winner. So I'm dead serious when I tell you, set an alarm clock. Put your dress clothes on, whatever you work in. Sit down in your workspace, even though you're not meeting anybody, and get to work building a better model. You'll see a link in the description here for getfastclosings.com. Even if you've seen that before, I cannot tell you how important it is. I've made a couple of tweaks to it, by the way. I can't tell you how important it is to see that right now. Getfastclosings.com. Spend 40 minutes. What else you got to do? Watch Family Guy? Spend 40 minutes. Start growing your real estate business. And don't just learn some stuff. I want you to use some stuff. Implement it so you can attract more buyers and sellers. You'll no longer fight with obscurity. You're no longer going to have any issues that nobody knows who you are. If you're the best kept secret in town as an amazing real estate agent, people are going to know who you are and what you offer. So this is a time for you to set your business up, get it working accordingly, and get yourself predictably earning the kind of business you need to get. Couple of resources I'll give you, self-serving by the way, but it's all free for you. Subscribe to this channel here, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere else. It's all at Greg Luther Coaching because we've got tons and tons of resources. You'll see lots of agents that are always commenting about how much it's helped them and that type of thing. I want you to be the next agent that we actually make this a big turnaround. We're going to have a tough time here in this country and frankly on earth. Any country, for a short period of time here. Use it wisely, and I want you to come out running. I want you to come out making as much money as you can. It's up to you to make that happen. Resources are available. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, but you have to be the one to take action. Believe in yourself. Just today, I had several agents sign up for our Inner Circle coaching, and every one of them, the emails I got from them said, I'm not wasting this time. This is a time for me to get real in my business. The reason I signed up with you today is because I know you have tons of resources available and I need to be locked in a room. I need to be consuming this. I need to be taking action on it so that when I can jump out there in the real world, I can implement immediately and make a lot of money. So this is my student time. It's time to be a student of the game. I want you to feel the same way. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I always try to be motivational, inspirational, but also be real about where you need to be. So you are CEO of your business. It's up to you to succeed. I'm Greg Luther. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Check out getfastclosings.com. You'll see it in the description. I think you'll find it to be very helpful. Follow the page, like this video if you like this kind of stuff. I'm sure you guys all know how the algorithm works. You'll get a lot more of that kind of stuff. And hey, you like the cost, it's all totally free. So go out there, be safe, wash your hands, and learn about what you need to change in the real estate world. I'm here to help you. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.